Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to deep clean our new white pearl Ciaz and make it look like brand new. Please note, this will be only the external cleaning and the internal cleaning will be covered in another episode. For the external cleaning, we are using the car shampoo and pressurized water to clean the car. There was slight rainfall and the car was standing outside the parking area, and therefore the dirt particles got captured and there were several dirt marks on the car body. The car tires looks messy and dirty to you, especially the boot space area and the rear bumpers get dirty quickly. Time to check the door panels and the glasses. You can also check the bug marks on the front grille and near the fog light area. Let's check the black skirtings below the wiper area. These were matte black, but due to too much exposure to the dirt and UV rays, you will find it get brownish and looks bit older. So we have to hard clean this area with the rough brush. We have analyzed the car externally. Now let's start cleaning with the pressurized water first. The first water spray will remove all the maximum part of the dirt and only remaining will be the permanent marks done by water. In this meantime, the dirt and the bug marks or the bird droppings will soak the water. By using the car shampoo, you will find it cleaned very properly. Now you can see the handles are a bit clearer, but there are few gaps still available with the dirt. The door panels are still dirty. Now let's have a quick look on the rear side of the car. The bug marks available over here are also soaking the water. The oil marks or the greasy marks on the car body are clearly visible after this car wash. So we are getting rid of this with the car shampoo only. Now we are using a Zesta car shampoo and we will read the direction first and then only we can proceed to have the best results in one go. So here we have to add one part of product with 2 liters of water and they have clearly recommended us to use or clean this in the shaded parking area. So we have mixed the solution properly as per directions and dipped the cloth in the solution and now started cleaning. For best results, we need to use the circular motion with the cloth. This effectively uses all sides of the cloth and make the effective cleaning. Let's see how the car shampoo performs on the bug marks on the front grille and the near fog light area. The shampoo made its work very properly. You need some rough wiping, but the older the bug marks, harder to get it removed. Now you can see the white beauty and it is looking so soapy. It's time for door handles. The door handles capture the dirt inside those gaps and we have to tackle this very properly. In case you are using the toothbrush more effectively, but we are using the cloth right now and it fully nailed with the gaps are clean right now. Moving further, we have the door panels, the area behind the tire. It is very dirty. After soaking the water as well, few parts are still not getting cleaner very quickly. Moving to the black skirtings right now, you can clearly see the surf is little brownish and we are using the hard brush to clean this. It is very safe because there is no paint available over here. The black skirtings can be handled roughly. Now the wipers will give some hassle to you while cleaning. So I recommend you to switch on the engine for some time and get the wipers on the vertical side and then switch it off, so you'll have the maximum access to the black skirtings. The surf is getting brownish. The area was too dirty and I haven't cleaned it for months. This is a bit hard work, but you will definitely know that after getting this matte look black once again, your car looks so good. So it's worth giving these efforts. Even the car shampoo also needs some efforts on this area. We are sprinkling the water once again and you can find that there are no oil marks right now. The car shampoo did really well. The soapy part captured all the oil or the bug marks or the dirts or bird droppings and wiped out properly. And after the wash, only the car chipping will be visible right now. There will be no dirt or smudges. Moving to the door panel, we can see the tar marks available over here and we will cover this in next episode, how you can get rid of these tar marks. The dents are permanent, so we can't help it with the car wash. The bug marks are gone very effectively and you can see the brand new look once again. Now our white beauty is shining like new once again. Now let's see the results after a full car shampooing. We have seen this area very dirty that time and it looks quite good. We must say that 98% part of car is clean. But the cleaning is not done yet. These are still watermarks available and we need microfiber cloth to clean all these water droplets from the car, because if the water droplets still remain on the car, you will find that it captures dirt very quickly and your whole efforts will be lost. The black skirtings are looking quite good. This is the final touch up for the car wash, and as you can clearly see, the car shampoo by Zesta has done its part very well, but this is the complete paint safe product and we definitely recommend it to you as well. The product links are in the description. Please don't forget to check our next episode for reviewing the tar marks as well waterless car wash solutions to clean the car without any hassle and water sprinkling. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.